Welcome to GitHub, your code's home and collaboration hub. GitHub is the world's leading platform for version control, collaboration, and open source innovation, where developers come together to build the future of software. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team, as part of the Career Guidance and Tech Topics series. In Chapter 1, we will explore the foundation. What is GitHub? Every developer needs to understand the core platform that powers modern software development, from version control to the GitHub ecosystem. The challenge in software development is managing code and collaboration. Working simultaneously on the same codebase leads to complexity and chaos, risking overwriting work or losing the history of changes. Introducing Git, the power of version control. Git is a free, open-source distributed version control system. Think of it as a time machine that tracks every change. GitHub is the platform built around Git, making it visual and deeply collaborative. GitHub is the social network for developers, hosting Git repositories and providing tools for collaboration. It allows you to host code securely in the cloud, collaborate seamlessly with global teammates, and use built-in tools to review and ship code. GitHub bridges the gap between individual contributors and global teams. It creates a unified ecosystem where every developer, from hobbyist to enterprise engineer, can thrive. We are truly connecting developers, empowering code. Repositories are the fundamental unit of GitHub. They are smart project folders, storing files, and the complete history of changes. Repos can be public, visible to everyone for open source projects, or private, restricting access to invited collaborators for proprietary code. Branches are key concepts that allow you to manage development. The main branch is the stable production-ready code. A feature branch is a parallel copy for safe development. When ready, you merge back your work into the main branch. A commit is a saved snapshot of your project at a specific point in time, recording exactly what changed and when. Follow best practices. Write clear, descriptive messages and commit often. Think of commits as video game checkpoints. Pull requests, or PRs, are GitHub's signature feature, transforming code changes into a conversation. A developer opens a PR, the team reviews the code, and once approved, the PR is merged into the target branch. Chapter 2 covers getting started with GitHub, your first steps. We will walk you through everything you need to get up and running, from creating your account to making your first commit, with no prior experience required. Step 1 is to create your GitHub account. Head to github.com and sign up, choosing a professional username. Crucially, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for critical protection of your account and code. Step 2 is understanding GitHub plans. GitHub Free is perfect for beginners. GitHub Pro adds advanced review tools for individual developers. Team is ideal for growing startups, and Enterprise is for large organizations needing high security and compliance. Step 3 is setting up Git locally, as most development happens on your computer. You'll need to install Git via the command line for your operating system. Alternatively, GitHub Desktop offers a visual graphical interface for beginners. GitHub Desktop is a visual alternative that makes the Git workflow intuitive. It is perfect for those transitioning to professional version control. You can see your branches, commits, and changes clearly at a glance. Step 4 is creating your first repository. You have 3 main ways: via the web interface, through GitHub Desktop, or directly via the command line with Git commands. Always initialize your repository with a README file. Step 5 introduces the Hello World workflow. This is a simple 4-step loop that is the backbone of collaborative development. Create a branch, make changes, commit those changes, and push to GitHub. Step 6 is opening a pull request. A PR is a vital communication tool, signaling that your work is ready for review. To open a PR, click Compare and Pull Request. Write a clear summary and description, assign reviewers, and submit. Step 7 is Review and Merge. Collaborators review the differences and leave inline comments. You can then iterate and respond to feedback by pushing new commits. Finally, once approved, click Merge Pull Request to integrate your code. The GitHub flow is intentionally simple and repeatable. It is a 6-step loop. Create a branch, make changes, commit and push, open a pull request, review, and merge. This ensures consistency and quality for all contributions. Chapter 3 covers using GitHub effectively beyond the basics. We will explore features that separate proficient GitHub users from true power users, focusing on the rich ecosystem of tools and features available. Mastering Markdown is essential for READMEs and issues. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that adds formatting to plain text. making your documentation clear and professional across GitHub. GitHub issues are central to planning and tracking work. Use them for bug tracking, feature requests, task assignment, and grouping related tasks into milestones to track progress toward release goals. GitHub Actions is a powerful CI/CD platform built into GitHub, allowing you to define custom workflows in YAML files that trigger automatically on events like pushes or PRs. You can automate tests, builds, deployments, and more. GitHub Actions enables continuous integration and continuous deployment. This creates an automated pipeline: code push, automated tests, build and package, and finally, deploy. This accelerates delivery from days to minutes. For larger teams, GitHub organizations provide a unified namespace for repositories, managing billing and security centrally. Within organizations, you can create teams to grant specific permissions to repositories, ensuring the right access control. GitHub Copilot is your AI coding assistant, powered by OpenAI. It suggests complete lines, functions, and code blocks as you type, learns from context, and dramatically reduces boilerplate coding time. GitHub is the heart of open source. To contribute, you can browse GitHub Explore for projects, look for issues labeled Good First Issue, fork and clone the repository, and then submit your contribution via a pull request. GitHub is the engine of open source innovation, hosting influential projects like the Linux kernel and VS Code. Contributing to open source is the fastest way to grow as a developer, build your portfolio, and make a global impact. Chapter 4, The Impact of GitHub, examines the broader role this platform plays in fundamentally transforming how software is built, shared, and maintained across the world. GitHub is the world's largest developer community. It surpassed 100 million registered developers in 2023, spans every country on Earth, and hosts over 420 million repositories. Millions of organizations rely on it for development at scale. GitHub democratizes development, giving solo developers access to the same powerful tools as large engineering teams. It accelerates innovation through rapid iteration, reduces code duplication, and enables faster onboarding and automation. GitHub is more than just code. It provides integrated tools like documentation wikis, Kanban-style GitHub projects for tracking work, and GitHub Pages for static site hosting. Security features like Dependabot ensure your code stays secure. GitHub has a truly global reach. The platform's community spans every continent, enabling thousands of collaborators to open pull requests and merge code across all time zones, pushing the boundaries of software together. Whether you are an individual building a portfolio, a team collaborating on a high-quality product, or contributing to global open source, GitHub is the platform to build, ship, and maintain software together. Start building today.